Hello guys, this is Siva here again. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys another powerful boom and crash strategy that you can use to scalp the market. Okay, so without wasting much of our time, I'm going to quickly share with you guys the indicator setup for this strategy, and then I will be explaining how it works. Okay. Alright, so the first thing we have to do here is to click on this F icon here. So after clicking on the F icon, you search for moving average, okay, which is our first indicator. So these are the properties for the first moving average. The period is 85, shift is 0, method is simple, apply to is close, the level you leave it as it is, time frame, all time frame, the style you make it color blue, 3 pixel. After that, you click on done, and you are going to have this blue moving average on your chart. And the next indicator is still a moving average. You click on this plus icon, then you search for moving average. These are the properties for this one. The period is 20, shift is 0, method is simple, apply to is close, the level you leave it as it is, time frame, all time frame, the style you make it color green, and you make it 3 pixel. After that, you click on done, and you are going to have this green moving average on your chart. The next indicator is relative strength index. You are going to be clicking on this plus icon again, then you search for the relative strength index. So the period for this one is 1, apply to is close, the level you set it to 85 and 15, you make the color red, and you make it 3 pixel. Click on done. Time frame, you set it to all time frame. The style, you make it the color of your background. If you are using a black, you make it black. If you are using a white, you make it white. You use 1 pixel for this one. After that, you click on done, and you have the relative strength index added to your chart. The last indicator we have here is the Ichimoku. You have to click on this indicator window 1 plus icon to add the Ichimoku under the relative strength index. All right, so now these are the properties for the Ichimoku. So what you have to do here is that you screenshot everything. Okay, you take a screenshot or you note it down somewhere. All right, I can't pronounce all these things here, so that is the way you can do this one. Okay, you either take a screenshot or you note it down somewhere. So these are the settings required for this Ichimoku setup. All right, so I hope you guys have screenshot and take a note of this. If you think I'm too fast, you can pause the video. Okay, so after that, you click on done, and that is it for the indicator setup for this strategy. All right, so without wasting much of our time, let me quickly explain how the strategy works. Okay, the first thing, before taking an entry, you want to see this strategy get to the overbought level here. So once all the indicator gets to the overbought level, all right, you see the red, white, blue, and green. Once all of them get to this level, right, you get ready for a sell. All right, so this is a scalping strategy, and this is boom 1000. So we are not to hold trade for long. All right, this is a scalping strategy, and we are trading against spike. Right, so now once it gets to this level, the next thing is that you want to see a crossing below. Right, so around this area, you can see this here is red. Right, so once you see that it has started changing to green here, this line cross below this green line here below. Once it crosses below all the lines, once they cross below this area here, and on the main chart, you also see that price has crossed below the green and the blue line. All right, immediately you see that crossing, you should go in for 5 candles. All right, immediately it crosses this blue line and you saw it. Right, sometime the indicator will cross before the main chart, and sometime the main chart here, the candlestick will cross below the moving average before it crosses on the indicator. So what I want you to take note of is that the both of them needs to be in agreement first before you take an entry. If this one is the one that crosses first, you are going to wait for indicator to cross, then you take your 5 candle, and if the indicator crosses first, you wait for your main chart to cross before you take your 5 candles. All right, don't be confused on this. All right, so in this case, this is the one that crosses first. The main chart crosses, then immediately the indicator crosses, you take your 5 candle and you exit the market. All right, let's look for another opportunity again. Another example, you can see price got to this level, so the next thing now you want to see the crossing before you take your entry. All right, so in this case, let's see the one that crosses first. You can see the both of them crosses at the same time, so here you take your 5 candle again before any other spike will come. So all that is left now, guys, is for you to backtest the strategy. Okay, make sure you backtest it very well and see for yourself if it's working or not before you can go in live with your hard-earned money. Okay, so I think that's going to be all for this video. All right, I will be seeing you guys in the next one. For those of you who have not yet subscribed to my channel, do make sure you subscribe, and don't also forget to give the video a like to help promote the video, okay, so that YouTube can promote the video to others so that they will get this powerful strategy and use it to make money. All right, and I also have another boom and crash strategy, a VIP strategy that you can use to grow as little as a $5 account. Okay, but for that, for you to get that strategy, you have to message me directly on WhatsApp. All right, check the description of this video, you are going to see my WhatsApp contact there. Make sure to message me directly so that you get the strategy. Okay, so with that being said, I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Silver out.